7-Day Smoothie Weight Loss Diet Plan. Is your busy life holding back your weight loss? You are not alone. This 7-Day Smoothie Weight Loss Diet Plan is for you. Most people do not have time to prepare healthy meals at home, which is very important for streamlining healthy weight loss. Don't worry, smoothies could actually rescue you, and they are easy to make and full of the nutrients that you may be missing. Before we go into the full details of this smoothie weight loss diet plan we have prepared for you in this video, let's iron out a few things first. Refer to it answering all the questions you may have about using smoothies for weight loss. What is a weight loss smoothie? A smoothie is a beverage that you can make in your kitchen by combining ingredients that are good for your taste while being low in calories and rich in nutrients. Smoothies have been around for ages, and they are your friend if you are looking forward to losing some pounds the natural way. How will this 7-day smoothie weight loss diet plan help me lose weight? Smoothies are packed with nutrients that are low in calories. These nutrients help reduce appetite and combat cravings, thus keeping you from sugary foods such as cakes and chocolate. You are able to get nutrients easily from ingredients that you wouldn't think of eating. Eating healthy is almost impossible in today's busy world. However, smoothies are a quick fix. With smoothies, you won't need a stove and 30 minutes of chopping onions and tomatoes. Always drink your smoothies right away or store the extra in a tight seal container in a refrigerator and consume within the shortest time possible. You can actually have your smoothies at any time of the day. If you have a hard time getting started in the morning, smoothies can be prepared in advance. They can also be taken for sleep or relaxation, before and after a workout, and can also serve as lunch on the go. Smoothies are a great way to kickstart your metabolism. If you are interested in getting started with a smoothie diet plan, we have the perfect one for you. It is the smoothie diet. Delicious, easy-to-make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy and incredible health. Real people with real results. You can get started for only $47, and there is even a $10 discount if you order today. Check it out by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching.